Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Volkswagen Golf key battery. It's a simple process that you can do at home with just a couple of tools. First, make sure you have a fresh CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery ready. You will also need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. To protect your key fob, consider wrapping the screwdriver tip with a bit of tape. Now, let's open the key fob. Start by pressing the small release button on the side of your key fob and pull out the emergency mechanical key. With the emergency key removed, you'll see a seam running along the edge of the fob. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver or pry tool into this seam, then gently twist to separate the two halves of the casing. With the key fob open, you can now access the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick moment to note which way the positive side is facing. This is important for correct installation of the new battery. Use your screwdriver or pry tool to gently lift the old battery out of its compartment. Then, place the new CR2032 battery into the slot, ensuring it faces the same direction as the one you removed. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear them click securely into place. Make sure there are no gaps. Don't forget to slide the emergency mechanical key back into its slot. Once everything is back together, test all the buttons to ensure your key fob is working perfectly again. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.